Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. So this chart has now turned into absolute junk, yeah, like most altcoins. We gave VeChain a chance. I always highlighted that because VeChain broke below the 88.7 Fib level of the larger cycle, which was at 3.3 cents, it was an entire mess. It obviously had a chance here for a reversal, but didn't use it and broke support. So it's now bearish, and it's more bearish than ever. And it has another chance, of course, to complete this entire correction, but I have to count the move between June 22 and April this year as an Elliott wave triangle. This is sort of, yeah, I think the best way to count it. I mean, an alternative would be to count this here as a wave 1 to that, so still keep the wave 4 up here, and then have a wave 1 down in an ending diagonal. Then this would be a wave 2 in an ending diagonal. Then this would be a wave 3, A, B, C or whatever. Yeah. And then we would get a wave 4 and a wave 5. That's the alternative. Both bearish though, of course. And until I see an impulse to the upside, this chart, to be honest, is not worth looking at. Also because it broke below the long-term 88.7 Fib level. If these altcoins break, it is what it is. You know, I don't give you these support levels for fun, honestly, and I also don't say for fun that most altcoin charts are junk. They are, you know. It is just what it is. I know people don't want to hear it, but it is what it is. There's nothing in these altcoins that makes them valuable. It just isn't. It's just sentiment, and it's unlike, for example, a share where you often have where you have actually rights, right? And not only rights, but sometimes you can get dividends and everything. There is nothing in these altcoins that can give you that right. It's just, that's why, you know, I don't know, altcoins are highly risky. Okay. So when you use them, when you trade them. Don't put them in your HODL portfolio. Forget about them unless you're happy to lose it all. Yeah, in the worst case. And I have some altcoins in my HODL portfolio, but I do expect they could all go to zero, right? That is just what it is. That's the difference. It wouldn't be nice, yeah, but I can shrug it off, which is what many people can't if they put like 10 grand or 20 grand. And I don't even have that much in my HODL portfolio for individual positions. But I sometimes read, you know, I bought here and I lost it all. And if you trade them, but if you hodl them, then don't be surprised if it all goes down, okay? But yeah, the message here is we're in a downtrend. Also, VeChain has not confirmed at any stage here over the last few months that a bottom has been made. We tracked, obviously, this first possible impulse, yeah, to the upside. But it failed support. And when it failed support here recently, and I can't remember what that level was, it was the 78.6 Fib level, yeah, at 1.9 cent. When that broke, that was it, okay? And the stop below that level, again, how helpful would it have been? Yeah, very helpful. Now it's broken below the January low, and I expect it to go down lower. And now we can be watching for maybe a reversal, not a reversal, but a reaction at the 1 cent level. Let's see if it reacts there. At the moment, there's just nothing here that would be bullish at present. So when the next impulse shows, we can look at it, we can track it. But at the moment, it seems like downside momentum is increasing, which often happens when a triangle like that breaks, right? And yeah, 1 cent is probably the next logical support. And then if we zoom out, there is a little more at around 0.008, 0.009. And then down here around 0.003. But yeah, I mean, ideally it doesn't go down that low. But yeah, let's see. I mean, at the moment, downtrend, no confirmed reversal to the upside yet. And therefore, the whole mess continues. Okay, yeah, that's what it is. And eventually, what would need to happen for a very first early signal that the downtrend is over? It would need a break above the last significant swing high at 2.1 cent. Okay, that's my update about VeChain. If things change, I will, of course, let you know. Obviously, things are very much in the making at the moment. A lot of changing scenarios because most altcoins couldn't hold their support levels in the wave 2. So even though Bitcoin is holding quite well, the altcoins didn't, probably also due to the SEC and everything. But, you know, things can turn around maybe already tomorrow. So things are very dynamic at the moment, which is like the narrative in crypto. So either it's super boring or it's super aggressive. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.